What's good, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be, as you see, I got these clips in the background, and today I'm gonna be attempting to cut hair the first time, like on my own head, everything. And as you see, I got my hair up and I kind of parted out my hair, trying to take out most of the long hairs. But yeah, we're gonna get right to it, and I'm gonna put the camera a little higher. It's a little bit of a gamble. So you see, this is not so much the best solution. I got on like a kind of wobbly speaker, and it's freaking bad because I left my tripod at home. So yeah, and I got that there just in case anything happens. I'm prepared. But yeah, we're gonna get straight to the video. I'm gonna be cutting my hair. It's a little bit of time lapse, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all there. Alright everybody, while the camera's up there filming, I got a plan B. In case it falls down, can hit the bag, hopefully safe. But yeah, that's the situation for now. Let's get it. Alright, so what you guys see here, since I don't really know how to use a comb with the back of my hair, and since I already have my hair done, I'm just using my hands to try to separate the longer hairs from the smaller hairs. And now what I'm going to try to do is just use the comb and just go through all my hairs to make sure they're not all clumped up so the clipper can have an easy time going through it. And most of this is going to be showing you guys the left side of my head while I'm cutting, because I didn't have a good setup for the right side of my head, so you guys couldn't see it well. But yeah. And what I was mostly trying to do here was I was trying to go for a fade. So when you do a fade, from what I've seen, you do one clip, or whatever they're called, I don't really know, but you do one clip, do the general lines of where you want to, and then you go a size up and then do that area. And then once you have how you want it to look like, you go with like a clip that's in the middle, and then you just buff out the edges. So you basically want to do it in like kind of like a flick motion, and that's how you just mess with the line and just try to make it look all similar. And that's what you can see what I'm trying to do right now, is I'm just trying to flick out that line so it's not such a bold line that you can see from far away. And what you can also do too, it might be easier with doing another person, since I didn't have a 2 clip, I only had a 1 and a 3, is that I used the comb and then push the comb, and I would use the clipper and just cut off the extra hair that was on the side of the comb. And as you can see, the fade on the side is starting to come together, slowly but surely. And once again, you can see me using the comb trick, just cutting at the excess hair on the side of the comb. And once again, you can see I'm trying to flick out that line. And here I'm going to get my reaction from my dad. What do you think so far? Is it good?
Yes.
First time?
First time, yeah, it's not bad. It needs some saturation.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
So yeah, I went by. My dad helped me with cutting the back of my hair because I didn't want to mess it up. And yeah, so now I'm just going through, adding my own little touches, because it wasn't the way I planned it out with where my dad cut it, but I think I should explain it a little more. But yeah, I'm gonna just go through and try to do my edges now and just touch up everywhere, get a little touches, make sure everything's looking the way I want to. Like I said, now I'm just adding the final touches, brushing down my hair, and trying to make all the hairs look uniform. and if they don't, I'll go back in with the clipper and do a little work. Now I'd say, in my opinion, having a mirror, like since I didn't have an extra mirror, I use my phone and I use the front facing camera and just have the reflection go off the mirror, because using the side mirrors, it was like everything was opposite. So if you can, I'd recommend that you have either your phone or like another mirror behind you. Way easier. One tip I would have to give to everybody is that before you get your hair done, part out all the long hairs and the short hairs, because it would save you so much time. It would be so much easier when cutting the short hair. Just a little heads up. Alright everybody, as you see, it's kind of fresh, not gonna lie. But I'll have to get a 360 for you guys pretty soon. But yo, for my first time actually cutting my hair, well, let me say this, my dad, he cut the back of my hair. It wasn't the best, so I touched it up, did my own like little freestyle stuff, you know. But other than that, I'll give you guys a quick 360 and yeah, see y'all the 360, I guess. Alright you guys, that's it for the video. I had to close it out here. As you can see, the cut's looking pretty fresh. You know, of course. Luckily, everything went smooth, cut, amazing, no imperfections or anything. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video and little shake chest. It's official, bro. Hair's looking amazing. Alright, but that's it for the video. Hope you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a good morning, good night, good afternoon, whatever time y'all watching. And yeah, like the video, share everything. Let's grow together. And peace.
I check my phone, I see that they all on my tweets. I call my hoes and I tell them now we got a link. Leave me alone, if I die my chains made me sick. Half a kilo on my neck, carats on my ring. I don't want you, I don't need ya. This some ice with